Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to get to the script editor on Google Sheets. This is an incredibly useful feature if you want to automate tasks, create custom functions, or add advanced functionality to your spreadsheets. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, log into your Google account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing in with the account that has access to the spreadsheets you want to work with. This step ensures you're in the right workspace environment where all your Google applications are accessible. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Workspace dashboard. This is where you can see all your Google applications and recent files. From here, simply click on a spreadsheet that you want to work with. You can either open an existing spreadsheet or create a new one, depending on your needs. Once your spreadsheet is open, you're ready to access the script editor. Now look at the top menu bar of your Google Sheets interface. You'll see several options like File, Edit, View, and so on. Click on Extensions. This menu contains all the add-ons and advanced tools available for Google Sheets. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on AppScript. This is the gateway to Google's scripting environment where you can write and manage custom scripts for your spreadsheet. Once you click on AppScript, Google will redirect you to the script editor interface. This might take a moment to load, so be patient as the new tab opens. The script editor is a separate workspace designed specifically for coding and managing scripts that interact with your Google Sheets. When the script editor opens, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll notice there's already a default script file present in your Google Sheets project. This is automatically created for every new project and serves as a starting point. You can click on this default script to view and edit it directly. Once you've made your changes, simply click Deploy at the top of the screen to make your script active and functional. Alternatively, if you want to create a new script file from scratch, click the plus icon on the left side panel. This allows you to add a new file to your project. Once the new file is created, you can input your custom script code. After writing your script, click Deploy at the top to publish and activate it. And that's it. You've successfully accessed the script editor on Google Sheets and learned how to work with scripts. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.